Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to create a pop-up update that your employees will have to confirm as soon as they enter the application. To begin, let's create an update. For this example, we'll select an existing template and choose a monthly announcement. Select this template and continue past the customization step. On the next screen, we can decide what groups we wish to send it out to based on our smart groups. We can even add specific users not belonging to our group. We'll send this out to all users. On the Publish screen, we will select to have this feature pop up for our users. We will leave the confirmation button as is and have the pop-up show for 7 days and continue. There we have it! Our update has been published to our employees. Now, when entering the application, this update will be the first thing that pops up on your employee's main screen. They will have to confirm that they have read the update. Going back to the dashboard when entering the update, compared to an email, as a manager, you will have a complete understanding of who received and confirmed that they understood the message, and you can even send a reminder to those that have not yet viewed your update, giving you full control of your organizational communication. Thanks for watching.